Who else is craving the steak and cheese right now? Well, let's make it. So we're gonna start off with our bell pepper. We're just gonna slice it up. Look at that, look at that. And you want it to look similar to like that size. Next up is our onion, and we're gonna be slicing that up. A pretty simple recipe, just 3 main ingredients, peppers, onions, and of course the steak itself. Okay, so now we're gonna drizzle our oil in there. And then when it's nice and hot, we're gonna add in our sliced peppers and onions and give it a good saute. This should take about a few minutes. Now when it gets to that, we're gonna remove it, and then we're gonna add in our steak. So I'm using actually the chopped steak. So I'm gonna add the garlic, the kosher salt, and pepper. Like I said, pretty simple ingredient. And then we're gonna pull apart the steak while we're cooking it. Then we're gonna add all the ingredients together. Now we're gonna add our American cheese. I like to use the cheese as like a melting cheese, just to mix it up to kind of have it all blend together nicely. Nice and a creamy texture. Now when it's an even consistency and melt it, we're gonna put it together, and then we're gonna add our provolone cheese. I'm doing about 6 slices just to cover the whole thing. Now you're going to cover it and let it simmer. While it's simmering, we're going to get our bread nice and ready. Good old roll. Butter it up. And just brown it. And that's what it should look like when the cheese is nice and melted. And of course, add that country sweet, best cooking sauce ever. Ow. And that's it. A good old steak and cheese. Such a simple recipe, but very good. So see you guys soon, and thank you for watching.